It's very powerful to have a Buddha image in our house. Why? Because we are connecting to an outer being who has achieved full enlightenment. And at the same time, we are connecting to an inner being within ourselves that can achieve this state of enlightenment, which Buddha has achieved. So when we prostrate to a Buddha, we're not prostrating to the statue. We're not prostrating to the painting or a tanka or making offerings to an idol. What we are doing is, this image represents a fully enlightened being. So we are making offerings, prostrating and praying and venerating and paying homage to a being that this represents. So therefore, Buddha himself said, whether we prostrate to him or we prostrate to an image of him, the merit is the same. So it's very, very powerful. And it's very good for all of us to have a Buddha statue on our shrine. What style, what shape, how we like it, size, color, it is up to us. It is totally up to us. It's up to our own taste. But it's very nice to have a Buddha statue on our altars. And the Buddha statue can be the traditional, historical Shakyamuni. It could be Tsongkhapa. It could be Tara. It could be Vajrayogini. It could be Guru Padmasambhava. It could be Avalokiteshvara. It could be Tara. A Buddha is signifying a type of being, not just one type of Buddha. A Buddha image means any being who is enlightened. So we can have Tara in the center. We can have Shakyamuni in the center. We can have Tsongkhapa in the center. It doesn't make any difference because Tara, Shakyamuni, Tsongkhapa, their level is exactly the same.